Écoute-la aveuglément. Ton âme t'en sera reconnaissante. Laisse-moi dormir sous les traces de nos anciens marchands. Sous des sons tortueuses et accidentées, nous avançons. L'amour de la reconquête de nos valeurs enfouit en nous. Retourne vers le passé. Nous voulons que nos liens soient. Car celui qui marche sans avoir son histoire dans la tête est comme un faible oiseau surpris par une forte tempête. Il n'avance pas et il regrette un grand pas jusqu'à ce que définitivement s'arrête ses pas. Autant que sans ses racines, un arbre n'est rien. Avec la méconnaissance de nous-mêmes, nous ne sommes rien. Congo, donne-nous la force de tes eaux puissantes, la sagesse de tes fables vivantes, la grandeur de tes majestueuses forêts, le caractère admiratif de tes épopées. Congo, ressource-toi près des forces. Prends la main que tu tends le bas des pieds quand tu touches le fond. Tu es un massa, tu es un téké, tu es un zoulou, tu es un peul, tu es un malinké, tu es un Boubantou, tu es un Bantou.
Yeti kwenda kwa memuna Congo Mbuilo mbongele umundila Congo Mbanguza mendungili umundila Congo Ngola zambe zizele muna Congo Nyoka moyo mone kene muna Congo Mwana ndumba bantele muna Congo Mwana ndumba bokele muna Congo Waitate muna Congo Waitate muna Congo Matanuzi more kene muna Congo Sipo bilanga pakundu muna Congo Endundu zipelekete muna Congo Endundu zipelekete muna Congo Bila kese tunamona muna Congo Bila makinu tunakina muna Congo Patata Luisa tunakweto muna Congo Mba mama Luisa tunakweto muna Congo Oluzolele kumamu meno muna Congo Mono ngele kombe muna Congo Kendika ngele kwenda muna Congo Mono ngele kombe muna Congo Mono ngele kombe muna Congo Tata mana muboke zambi wetitata mana muboke
Luwaninga ninga ninga fuma moye Yesu mwana zambi wetitata mana muboke
Luwaninga ninga fuma moyo Tala mfumu Yesu wetitata mana muboka No tadimbe no fuma moyo tala watela mana wetitata mana muboka oh ya ya
Forger l'espoir perdu sans ignorer les valeurs en nous, motivés et déterminés. Nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences et ensemble. Malembe tokukoma mokili tondi magambo ebele yaya zala na kimia eloko nyonso ekomaka na ngonga nango
Yambote nengwatariwa. Yambote nengwatariwa. Ah, she's gone. What's up, man? Nengwatariwa, can you hear me? Yambote nengwatariwa.
Kiambote tata.
Zinama vimpi.
Ingeta na mavimpi yeyenu
Yete petunama vimpi titondele. Yambula twa kaisa enkangu. Hello, if you're watching, we thank you. Do not move, please. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom spoken in. Who can help?
Angola,
Mm-hmm.
the Republic of Congo,
Yes.
the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Gabon.
Yeah. Well done. Thank you very much. Oko. Unu. Muno Kikongo kaka tu vovela. VCD. Back ici. E unu muno Kikongo kaka tu vovela. Yeah. Vova is the verb. No, vova is your verb. Yeah, vova is your verb.
Okay.
Tu is your usual.
So you mean today we're going to speak Congo?
Yes. Today we're going to speak only. Don't speak in Kikongo. Yes, well done.
Ingeta.
Kiatangu. Kiatangu unazao.
Tangu.
Tangu. News.
Tangu.
Kiatangu. Tangu. News.
News.
Tsangu. Tsangu unazao. I'm asking you a question. Tsangu unazao.
Are you asking what happened today?
No news. Tsangu.
Oh, you mean like what's new?
Tsangu. No, any news? This is basically
Any
this is a
news?
question. Yeah.
Ah,
Let me just put it in a different way. Maybe this one is going to help. Let me just display this. Yeah, Tsangu, yes?
sound.
Okay, let's put it in a different way. Same question. Imambu mabwidi kuna ntieno. Let me try to write that is Imambu
Mambo is like
mabwidi.
a problem.
Yeah, try to translate
Like
my
I-
sentence, please. Kimambu mabwidi. 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 Kuna ntieno. Okay. Tieno. Let's just write it like this because we are learning. Kimambu mabwidi. Sorry. I need to delete all this. Bear with me, and I'm going to tell you what should be this page. It should be, you know. Yes, Kimambu mabwidi kuna ntieno. Can you translate my sentence,
Like
please?
any news on, does it mean what news?
Mm.
Does Mabudi means what
Let me
bad
give.
news?
No. Let me try to help. Mabwidi, bois is your verb, yes? Bois is the verb, you know?
Or
Bois
does it
is
mean
the
to
verb,
happen?
meaning. Now, bois is to fall, yes? Yeah, bois.
Fold.
Bois, let me say, bois.
Key Mambo.
Yeah, bois, yes?
Okay. So what
So,
news fell upon you?
sorry?
So does it mean like what news fell upon you?
Yeah, good.
I don't
Yeah, this is, yeah, literally we could translate like this. But try to translate Ntieno. Ntieno. Remember
like on
the
your side.
yes, yeah. Remember eno is the usual eno, yes. But a second plural. Nti means nti
Does it mean
is
side?
nti is country. Yes, yeah, nti. So when I say Kimambu mabwidi kuna ntieno. This is Gikongo anyway. It's hard to translate. When I say Kimama Buid, basically talking about any breaking news, yes, any something news. This is the context. Any news, any breaking news, because bois, this is the nuance. This is the sense. So Kimambu mabuidi kuna ntieno. Mambu, yeah. Can you this is plural. Change it into singular. The sentence. I mean, you're going to touch on mambu and mabuidi. Mambu, ma is plural. D is your di. Di is your singular. Yes.
Also, it's just D.
Just remove. I mean, change. Remove mama.
Oh, so I say Diambu.
Yes,
Diambu.
well done. Diambu,
Buidi.
carry on. Dibuidi, yes, Dibuidi.
Ibuidi. Oh.
Yeah, Dibuidi.
Kidiambu.
Kidiambu Dibuidi.
Kuna
Unantieno.
Tieno.
Yeah. But Congo people are being conservatives. I mean, we are very traditional. We say, generally speaking, we use plural, yeah? Respect. Gimambu.
Yeah.
Remember, Tutondele. You can say tondele, first finger, yes?
But you want to say tone.
Yeah, utondele. Okay, ki mambo mabwidi kuna tieno. Ki diambu di bwidi kuna tieno, singular. Okay, try to... You answer, please.
Oh, I'll say,
You start from the sentence. Just drop the key, because this is what. So,
I'll say mambo
ma,
mabwidi.
mambabwidi kuna tie. Okay, this is the test to you.
Kuna nsiame.
Good, but you go say it in plural, yeah, because we talk about you plural. Then you answer.
Nsieto.
Well done, mama bwidi kuna tieto. So and so and so. Yes. Well done. Okay. VCD nengwa. VCD. Bakisi.
Bakisi. Oh, them. You mean like to understand?
Mumoka na tuna. Ekiuvu kiame. Bakisi. Nzalelezaya vo bakisi. Bakisi. VCD. VCD. Bakisi something.
Bakisa means to understand.
Yes, correct. Yeah, that's why this is my question. Bakisi.
Ingetata.
I want you to use the verb. Yes. you're rusty.
How do
Present.
I understand?
Your verb is there. Bakis. If I give you, remember the keyword. If I give you my question, Bakisi, you give me your answer should carry nasal, yes. Bakisi, nasal. Give me the nasal, present perfect indicative, yeah. Mbakisi.
Bakisi.
Yeah. Remember?
So, the question is
Bakisi. Bakisi or VCD something. Then you answer. Just
Bakisi.
yes, on VCD, yes. Okay. Yeah, I mean same verb. Visa Bakisi, same verb. Bakisi, VCD. Yes.
But
so now I'm sorry?
So when you're saying Bakisi, you're not using the nasal.
No, the nasal is there. When I say Mbakisi, the nasal is there. Otherwise, it would be Bakisi. Yeah. Mbakisi. Yeah, the nasal is there.
Okay. But when I respond, I need to say Mbakisi.
Yes, Mbakisi, yes. Yes. Okay, negative now. Kibak. I'll give you the answer. Okay. Bakisi, now negative.
So say Kimbakisi.
You dropped you not use the nasal here.
Oh, I dropped the nasal, so
Yeah.
Kimbakisi.
Yes. VCD?
VCD.
Yes. Ok. Emono si atula video engeye siwa nengo tedi siwa soneka vingila fioti unaye lapi unaye au nenda soneka Sonica
is to write.
Yes, lenda Sonica.
When you write
Sonicas. Okay. Emonosia tula video tomawa. Mukumvisa una? Tomawa.
Kivisidiko.
Kuvisidiko. Oh. Wa emonumvova ngina enge mwa una. Wa
what to see.
Mona to see. Wa
To see. To listen.
Yes, okay. Wakuba mauna?
Kubama.
See, you're rusty. It's been a long time.
I remember you mentioned
Kubama to be ready. Get ready, yes? Kubama.
Oh, you're asking me if I'm ready.
Yes. Wakubama una?
Say, Kubama tuna.
Kubama ngina, yes.
Oh, Kubama ngina.
Kubama ngina, yes. Because remember, I'm using Wakubama una. Remember, the una is what is una?
Una
What is
singular.
Yeah, color, yes. Remember?
Yes.
Wakubama ngina. Okay. Can I play my video? Yes, 5 minutes. Yes. This is my village. Yeah, the video I'm going to watch is my village. Okay. I want you to grasp that Kikongo. This is my accent, yeah? Okay, off we go. Ready? Yes? Okay.
Kubama.
Olingi naye ingutu kiya imbanze kivange lyako wao kibalo kabo kitomulute mutangu katutuwa kuna 25 tuyiza kwako mulyambuli patu kalya kaizeti kwa tu kilibo shabavu ayene ko 25 wao tuizili kwako mukuse vutuka bonsuna akela kaizeti kutuvangila nga patu ya imbanza egaga luisili gawo bensawo kekene kunavo nzenza kukaka utuka katu kyaki isine kikivanga lyako kiutu kilisedi yawo mbutetu yetu mbutishima unyoka mwana andi yona utete unavo ministro da ambiente vice ministro da ambiente yandi izulu kulidi tete dimbutetu mbutishima unyoka mamukivanga lyako engudi yawo imbutetu yetu pangetu ngusuzani mazenzela iuti digawo idiawo kiyaza tuno kyako lukene bo kavile kene ukuna tuki idiazolevo gesa tunga mbanza yivutuka bonso una ikela bonso una avo tunga kwenu kuna sulu sawe tukiyadi mimi lutoma kala kya bonso bo katuna igatu kuntwala kinga tuvuidigana ngena si sambute zigatu sinu kiyaza tuno kyawo pasi mvimbo tunazawo muna kedi kagenu mojulu mwana kutunjila forma lutekujela lutekusazungidi luwatikidi kuna kuza koti munjila yine mumogu tutapile yawo kali lukidi kikesa diaga mutapa hivyo njila tufati koti sama kami ingisa lutekusa yishidi yine mumogu tutapile yi
ya delegação e associação yishidi kwako
bon iyo delegação yishidi associação ikolu luisidi mawoso no oluyatigiri kwako mavate kutujufulusa ikuna sira lyako lukwele kuna mbongo tsatu tunazao getu mutomisa zunga kikwilu lutomisa kyao kagatoka kafeti kitomisa kugelu nukuntwala luyalo yelu nukuntwala luyalo gatu lufeti tomisa getu tunakwa kunima iboshi tubaga kikesa lyaka muvate patu mvimba kadi wawu na tuvate patu mufuile jinanga keshte mmono kwa yamvu ivo budika gelu foti tunga lyaka kalu sochi kuna avo tutapele yaka munti lyaka sawo zoji tson kumba mona gustu kizeko bon mono kengine coordinador ku kashi mono wavu yetukul tugana shingole ke kikulu me kileso zolo kuvo tukala kaka muna pashi pile ange yuna va fulu tuvuidi yenu matoko luna muna atawe tufudi tuna mesu yetu zoji tsoni fetikala ku yenu lyaka votu lweka kuna zunga kyao tala una ngena tala forma ngena kala vot mutoma zai kwa nive tula ngondo kuntwala nzankulikana tuzaisi lumono madioku lumono diaka koyinza udiaka lumono diaka enguba iboshikana bobukuba yinga gati mu
nzayidi ephunza mupente kekelenge wakelele kumoshi i president net akele mupente yandi ukele mnani usalidenge kumenga lo ilusasu nzayidi iboshi Luigi di tuitomana yangalela muliambu echi gata tomisanga yogena kuntual tutomana yangalela ditete tutondele diaka odu Luigi di kwako emwejeni Luigi di yeni lufeti tomisachi ayeni Luigi di yeni lufeti tomisachi edia ivate pe utu kangei ya ivate ikwilu dia yeni lufeti tomisa kwi kagatwan kaka
avata yake nani
ayenu ayeni
akimboze
ekumbwa kungeyi epanzu tuzu ayizayi panzu zayi kizayi kwa makumbu yinkaka ha bensawo apanzu nani oh
here we are. I'm going to tell you. Very hard, yeah? What have you written?
That was hard.
That's my village. That
Congo.
This is my village. That was my village. Yeah. Anything, have you written any words?
I did write words. I wrote Lufuete means like you have to.
Well
You're
done, yes.
obligated to. And
You must, yes.
he said Lufuete Luizidi. Does that mean? Am I wrong?
Don't
I
worry.
don't
Go to the next word, please.
The first man he said Luyalu's government.
Yes.
Luyalu's government.
Good.
Then-
Yeah, good.
Then he asked that man Kumba Kunani. Then he said Pam.
Yes. Then
Then he did mention Zenza.
yeah, and then
Nzenza doesn't mean to. Nzenza means to like argue.
then the foreigner.
Oh, Nzenza means foreigner.
Yes. Yes. Well done. Well done.
But
Diambo
they
te.
did say Luizidi. Does Luizidi mean to come, like, or to come again?
Yeah, you've come. Yeah, yes, you've come.
Yeah,
Yes,
saying you come.
yes, yes. Oh, Diambo te kikilo. Tutondele.
Tondele.
Vata diame. Yeah. Monokuna ya tuka. VCD? Mena mpovele VCD mo. Mukumvisa una nengwa. Monokuna ya tuka. VCD?
Does that mean?
Ku VCD ko. Tuka.
Luizidi go.
Tuka. Oh, rusty again. Remember the verb coming from. Tuka.
Oh.
Yeah, remember now, yeah. So when I say kuna ya
Tuka
tuka,
is to come.
to come from, yeah. To come
Oh,
to,
I come
yeah.
from that place.
Yes.
Okay. Mono. something.
Mono kuna ya tuka. The second man asked, because it was my brother, we look alike.
Yes.
The man
I
said,
look like you.
yeah, the man said to my brother, I know you are from here, you are Panzo. Then my brother replied, no, I'm not Panzo. Then the man carried on asking, then he asked, who are Panzo Nani? Can you translate, please? Panzo Nani?
Nani means
WH.
Nani means who are you?
Basically, you say, who is Panzu then? I know you are Panzu. No.
Nani. Oh, who is Panzu?
Who's Panzu? Yes. I know you are from here. Yeah. Yambote. VCD, mena, yamle yuvula mnagi kongwa. Mena ka fo vele ku VCD maukul, ku VCD moko, VCD maukul. Maukul ka fo vele VCD mo. Ku VCD moko.
VCD go.
Okay, Yambote, Yambo kansi. Le mingo quiz a dit que si toi tu la que pas la qui passe wa Yambote utoma wanga ki Kongo mujambo endonate vova mumbisa una Jemwe no we have all the notes we need. Now we need to keep marching. Yes, the rubber hit the road, otherwise we will be going round and round. You understand? Like learning to drive. You can be 1 year, I don't know, 10 years on a simulator. What do you call simulator? Learning how to drive. You go nowhere until you go on the road, make mistake. Yeah, this is normal. Expect. Yeah, you got to make mistakes. Then, wow. Okay, emono tu munzila ngina tuwawane bakisi wawana bakisiko bakisi bakisi kibakisiko you answer kibakisi VCD VCD ko. Yeah. When you're not using, when you're not using, when it's not, whenever it's not negative, you make sure you use your nasal. Yes. Yeah. Yes. What was the question? Okay. Emono munzila ngina, engepe munzila una, tuwawane. Wawana is a verb. Wawana means to meet. Yeah.
To meet.
Yeah. Can you write it down, please? Wawana. Okay. Wawana. Okay. Munzila ngina. Emono kuzandu. Remember, kuna or KU. Short for kuna. Can be KU, yes? Okay. Kuzandu itakwenda. No, let me just, I don't want to use ita. Let me try to use the prefix, yes? Ngele kuzandu, yes? Ngele kuzandu, yeah? Ngele.
Ngele means I came.
Yeah. No, ngele kuzandu.
I went.
I'm going. Ngele is present.
I'm going.
Yeah, present perfect indicative, yes. Remember the verb? What is the verb?
The verb is to go is kwenda.
Well done, Ngele kuzandu. Yeah? I just want to. Ita is too easy, remember? Yeah?
Yes, it is.
Too easy. So,
I have a question.
Go ahead, please.
So, if I say ngele, it doesn't mean I went. It means I am going. So
it is present perfect indicative, yes. It is hard to translate. In between present continuous and present perfect, a bit of past, but it depends on the context. Okay. Because tuwawane, you ask me, your question is kweuta kwenda. Yeah, I'm just, I can avoid, I mean, I don't want to use ita. I'm going to answer ngele, yes? Ngele kuzandu, yes? Sorry? Ngele.
If
You
want
can
to
see me
say,
going.
mm-hmm.
You can see
You
me
are
going.
saying
Yes,
yes.
Ngele Guzan. Yeah. Ngele.
Okay.
Remember the song, it's a poem. Ngele Munzila Congo.
Yes,
Munzila.
that one.
I'm going, yeah? He's going, she's going, yeah? It's about a girl. Ngele, I'm going, I'm marching, yes? Ngele Munzila Congo. Munzila Congo itakwenda. Not too nice. Yes? Ngele. You can see me going, yes? Yes. Okay, let us talk then. Tuwawane, yes? Tuwawane munanzila. Emonokuzandu itakwenda. Okay, let me use it. Okay. I can't avoid it. Okay, ngele kuzandu. Engeye kunzo utatuka. Emono.
Itatuka.
Engeye nengwa tadiwa
Mono.
kunzo utatuka. Yeah, can you translate? Yes.
Kunzo utatuka means you came from home.
Remember we're using ita kunzo uta.
Oh, you are coming.
It is ing, yeah, yes. Yeah, coming, yes.
Coming from home.
Continuous, yes. Okay. I'm going to kuzandu itakwenda. Okay, ngele kuzandu. Yeah, I'm trying to avoid ita, yes? Ngele kuzandu. And you, first...
Ngele kuzandu means I'm going.
Yeah, you can see me go. You can see me going. You asked me, yes. Okay, let us talk then. You coming from, of course. You coming from home. I'm coming from home. I'm going to the market. You are coming from home. I don't know. So I don't know where you're coming from. Then that's what I'm going to ask. Okay, Kiambote nengwa.
Kiambote tata.
Kumba kunani tata.
Okumba kunani tata.
Nengwa undoloka. Kumba kunani nengwa.
Kumbwame nengwa tadiwa.
Yeah, good, but it's good to say enge tata kumba kunani. Yes? It's kumba kunani. It's better like this than ngeye, because remember when we usually ngeye we use when we're asking we're greeting a person, how are you? Noma vipi, ngina vipi ngeye. Yes? And you? Yes. Okay, because when you are asking someone else's name, when they say their name, my name is Peter, they don't ask you, and you? No. They ask, well, what's your name, sir? Yeah, and you say, what's your name? Okay. Okay. Let us repeat then. Kiambote nengwa.
Kiambote tata.
Kumba kunani nengwa.
Kumbwame nengwa tadiwa. Enge tata kumba kunani.
Emono kumbwame tata panzo. Tutonde kwe utatuka. Now, this is the catch. The verb is tuka, kwe utatuka. You understand the question, yeah? But I want you to use the present perfect indicative, yes? Kwe utatuka nengwa. Remember the keyword, your nasal. The verb is tuka.
Kuzandu. Tuka, kuzandu.
I want you to use a nasal.
Tuka,
tukidi, yeah?
Oh, tukidi, kuzandu.
Yeah, jambote. Emonope kuzandu itakwenda. Baki isi? Emono kuzandu itakwenda. Nge kuzandu utatuka. Mkumvisa una nengo?
Elo.
Jambote. Mukuvisa ngina. You only use your nasal, just when you use your nasal, just a nasal, nothing else in VCD. Yes? Nothing else. in your sentence. Okay, oh. Kuzandu tetuka, emonope kuzandu itakwenda. Ewange nengwe kisumbidi. Remember? Sumba is a verb. Kisumbidi. My question. Sorry?
Sumbidi. Oh, this
Kisumbidi.
Sumba to buy.
Yes, kisumbidi. Give me the nasal, please.
Sumbidi.
Well done, yes.
Sumbidi Saka. Yeah.
Madezo.
Bwenge.
Mbwenge. Yambote. Ah.
Yenge tata kisumbidi.
Kanaki sumba kuzandu itakwenda. Kanaki luwa kako. Kisumbidi kunzo itatuka. Kuzandu itakwenda. Kanaki sumba mako, eh? VCD? Good. Future then.
Singa.
Yes. Yeah, well done. Nguba isumba sorry. Nguba isinga sumba. Vondweke kuna zandu siya sumba nguba. Do you understand my sentence? Vondweke kuna zandu siya sumba nguba. Can you translate?
I think you're saying when I arrive at the market.
Yes, Ndweke, remember. Carry on, please.
I will buy beans.
Nguba.
Or peanuts.
Nguba.
Peanuts.
Yes. Well done. Emadezo. Uzolanga mo.
Madezo muzolanga.
Uzolanga mo.
Elo mzolanga madezo.
I want to use a keyword. Rusty. Remember demonstrative adjectives, yes? Yeah. Remember you are going to use the adjective, then the object concord. So when I ask you, emadezo mama. Anyway, I'm giving you the adjective, yes? Emadezo mama, uzolanga mo, ingeta itoma, eh?
So you say
You answer. Itoma. Object concord. I gave you object concord. Uzolanga mo ingeta itoma mo zolanga.
Utoma.
Itoma. Remember, E is your first. Itoma.
So I say itoma zolanga.
Itoma mo zolanga.
Itoma mo zolanga.
Yeah, remember object concord is more. Let me just change the elukulualu uzolanga lo. Demonstrative, yes. My object is luku. Remember luku. Luku is cassava porridge. Yes.
Oh, luku is cassava porridge.
Fufu. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Pay attention, please. I'm going to give you object concord. In your answer, you're going to use the object concord, of course. So, elukulualu, remember, luku, the subject, let's say subject. Lualu is my demonstrative adjective, yes? Lualu, yes? Elukulualu uzolanga lo. Then you answer ingeta, yes?
Ingeta.
Itoma. Itoma lo zolanga, yes.
Itoma
lo zolanga. You have it on your notes, yes?
Yes.
My question was elukulualu uzolanga lo. Remember that my lo is my object concord. then your answer will be ingeta itoma lozolanga. Yes?
Itoma lo zolang.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Another one. Ediakidiadi uzolanga dio. Yes, remember?
So I'll be like
The answer.
ingeta
Hmm?
itoma di
Dio,
zolanga.
itoma.
Oh, itoma dio
Yeah, dio zolanga. Yeah, good. Although other parents
dio
would do
zolanga.
itoma dio zolanga. Yes.
Itoma
Ekikutukiaki ozolanga kyo.
itoma itoma ki
Kyo,
zolanga.
itoma kyo zolanga.
Itoma kyo
Kyo
zolanga.
zolanga. Yes. Okay.
Kyo.
Now you're going to answer on behalf of the crowd, yes? Ekikutukiaki luzolanga kyo.
I'll be like to
Ingeta.
ingeta
Mm.
to
Yes,
toma
we. Two.
to
Mm.
to tuma
Tutoma,
yeah,
to toma. Yeah, tutoma. Then object
what did
concord.
you say again? Did you say
Sorry?
did you say the sentence again? I forgot
My question, okay. Ekikutukiaki, remember KK, eh?
Okay.
Ekikutukiaki ozolanga kyo. I mean, you many, eh? Luzolanga kyo, should be the should be the question. So, ekikutukiaki luzolanga kyo.
Ingeta tutoma kyo zolanga.
Kyo, tutoma kyo zolanga. Yes. Zolanga. Okay. Iwao kunzo utakwenda nengwe. Kuzandu tatuka. Kunzo utakwenda. Kimadia uzolanga lamba. Kimadia uzolanga lamba. Nengwe tadio.
So madia nzolanga nzolanga lamba.
Madia izolanga lamba. Nzolanga lamba. Yes, could be yes.
Madezu nzolanga
Madezo izolanga lamba. Diambote. Mudiamdiki. Mudiambudinki. That long sentence just to say one word in
you
English.
made it short. You just made it short. Like what's
that long sentence is just one word in English. Mudiambu.
Oh, it means like what? Like why?
Well done. Mudiamdiki.
How would I say it is because
Mudiambudinki, yeah. Sorry?
How do I say
Mudiambu, yeah, because Mudiambu.
Okay. Mudiambu.
No, yes.
Mudiambu. I just want to say Mudiambu Nzolang.
No, just in this sense, just keep only use Mudiambu.
Mudiambu. How do I say? Because it's easy.
Okay. Mudiambu kapasi beniko mulamba. Kapasi beniko. Kapasi beniko. Kapasi. Remember, Niko. Munalamba. Emadezo. Yeah, let me just. Yeah, kapasi beniko.
Campus Beni. Long, the campus. Long.
Yeah, that's it. See, Mudamdi key, you mean just wide. See, a long sentence. This is our signature. You know, Kikongo, we are talkative, yeah? We Bantu languages. Yeah.
How do I say I like? Because I like Madev. I like eating Madev. Let's say, do I just say Zolanga?
Okay. You can get there. Madev is Zolanga dia. Yeah? Zolanga dia.
Zola is Zolanga.
Madezo Izolanga dia. Yeah, it's easier. Remember, it varies well answer the same question, yeah? But it is Madezo Izolanga dia. Madezo Tuzolanga dia. Madezo Luzolanga dia. Ah, tutondele. Kivu na kia, tumanisi kwetu, eh? Kivu na kia unengwa. Kivu na kia u. Kibaki siko. Kivu.
I know, we learned Kivu.
You're rusty, eh?
Yes, I'm rusty.
Kivu. Yeah.
Kivu is a fish. Oh.
Yeah.
Kivu
na kiao. Kivu na kiao, yeah.
Yeah.
Use your KK, yeah? Use your ka.
Kikalaye.
No. Ka ngina ye Kivuko.
Kangina Kivuko.
Yes, Kangina ye Kivuko. Let me just try to display because this is another question. Okay. Kangina ye Kivuko. Question. Sorry, I misspelled. Wait, hang on 1 minute. So. Kivu, yeah, something missing here.
Okay.
Kangina ye Kivuko. Yes. What is the verb in this sentence? What is the verb?
Kalaye.
Meaning, yes. Meaning, well done. Meaning
to have.
Well done. Kangina ye Kivuko. Yes. Kalaye. Okay.
Venezuela.
Yeah. Yambote Tata Carlos. Yeah. I think he was following you the talk, yes? That's what. Remember when I asked Quetta Tuka, I was okay, well done, Tutonde Tata Carlos. Okay. Okay, now what tell you Tondele. When the Cambote. Tondele. Okay. When the Cambote, yo.
Sala Cambote.
Tondele, yo.
Timba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Agua Congo.